So today I am going to show you how to activate any Microsoft Office software and Windows version you want for free. Click on the link provided in the description box and download this file. Now extract this file. Open and install the software according to the Windows version. Remember to disable your antivirus before installing this. Now this software will automatically detect which Windows version of Microsoft Office you are trying to activate. Just click on what you want to activate. Now wait for some time till the process gets completed. Now once you see product activation successful, close this and check your software if it is activated. And as you can see, my Microsoft Office has been activated successfully. So with the help of this software, you can even activate your Windows for free. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.